Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you just how quick and easy it is to add text to your Wix website. Whether you're building a portfolio, designing a business landing page, or just sprucing up your personal blog, being able to add and customize text is absolutely essential. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add titles and paragraphs and make them look great so your site stands out. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's add a title to your website. Once you're inside the Wix editor, look over to the left-hand menu. You'll want to click on what's called Add Elements. Think of this panel as your toolbox for building your site. Now in the Quick Access section, you should see an option labeled Title with a bold T icon beside it. That's the one you want. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you do, a default title text box will appear right on your website, ready for you to customize. Now click inside that new title box and start typing the words or phrase that you want to show as your main heading. This could be the name of your website, a catchy slogan, or whatever you'd like visitors to see front and center. If you're not sure exactly what to write yet, don't worry, you can always come back and change it later. Making mistakes or changing your mind is totally normal during website building. Next, let's add some supporting text below your title, maybe a little description or introduction that helps explain what your site is all about. For that, you'll want to add a paragraph. Go back to the Add Elements menu and look for Paragraph in the Quick Access area. It might look a little different than the title icon, but the process is the same. Click on that and you'll see a new paragraph box pop up on your website. Here, where you can get a bit creative. Click inside the new paragraph box and enter your descriptive text. It could be a brief welcome message, a summary of your services, or even an inspiring quote, whatever fits your vibe. Now comes the fun part, customizing your text so it matches your website's style. Both your title and your paragraph can be edited by simply clicking on the text you just added. This brings up formatting options, almost like what you'd see in a word processor. Want your title to really make a statement? Try bumping up the font size or switching to a bold, modern font. Maybe you want your paragraph text to be a different color, something that fits your brand or catches the reader's eye. Just select the text, look for the color picker, and browse through the options. And don't worry if it takes a little experimentation to get things looking just right. It's all part of the process, and you can always hit undo if you're not happy with how something looks. Customizing these text elements really helps make your website feel personal and professional, so take your time here. Remember, a good mix of clear, readable fonts and colors that complement your overall design is key to making your message stand out. And that's it, you've just learned how to add and style titles and paragraphs on your Wix website. See, not too tricky at all. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow website building tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.